What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Mystique from the Xmen. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page, you draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and bend that back up towards the top. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top. I want to bring that down towards the same height, and then bend that back up. Let's add a small black circle in the center of each eye for the pupils. Now I'm going to move in between the eyes and draw the bottom edge of the nose, starting on the left, bend this down and curl that up. Let's step up and draw a short curve across the bridge of the nose. Now step down again, draw a curve slightly up in the center and then down from the mouth. Add a small bracket to close off the ends. Go back to the center, step down, draw a short line going across the bottom of the lip. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the eyebrows. Let's start from the left side. We're going to come in on top of the eye and then down. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. On the inside, let's curl up the brow, coming in and then up. Now I want to add some thickness to the brow. Starting from the end to create a point, we're going to taper this so it gets thicker as you come in. Now once you complete the face, let's move up towards the center of the forehead and draw on that skull. So we're going to draw a circle with an open end along the bottom. So start on the left side. Go all the way around and then pull that in towards the right. Let's connect the ends with a small curve coming down and then up. Let's add in the eyes, two circles on either side. Let's fill those in black. And then in the center, we'll draw a small triangle for the nose and then fill that in black. Now from the side of the skull, we're going to draw the edge of the hair. Let's start on the left. We're going to bend this up, come down around the eye, and then brush that out. Let's take that shape and flip it over on the right. Starting from the skull, going up, coming down around the eye, and then bend that out. Now I want to tuck the bottom half of the head in behind the hair. So let's start on the left side, right here, coming down, round at the chin, underneath the mouth, go across, and then bend that up. Let's add the bottom of the ears. Starting on the left side, we're just going to tuck this in behind the hair and the side of the head. Now let's go back up to the top. In the center, draw a straight line going up to part the hair. Now I'm going to curve the outside of the hair on the left side. So we're going to start by going up, bend this down along the side. Now I want to bend this out around that fold, come around, and then bend that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start by going up, come down the side of the head, bend this out, and then curve that in. Now let's finish off the bottom of the hair. I'm going to step over to create a fold, going down and in, bend this up, and then in underneath the head. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body, starting with the skull belt. So we're going to draw that same skull a little bit smaller in the center. So start on the left side, we're going to go all the way around, draw that circle, pull that in, add that bump across the bottom. And they'll do the same thing, adding two circles and filling those in for the eyes. And then add that small triangle for the nose. Let's add one more on either side. So we start on the left, going all the way around, drawing that same sized skull. On the bottom, add in the eyes, and then the nose. And then one more time over on the right. Now we can go back up underneath the head and draw the side of the body. Let's start on the left side. We're going to bend this out and then down in behind the skulls. Let's go to the center of the body. We're going to add a fold, going up and then down. Now let's add that fabric coming down the center. Starting from the bottom of the skulls along the side, draw two straight lines coming down, and they'll flatten off the bottom. Let's leave a small gap along that center line. Step over towards the left. We're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And it'll curve the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left side, bends down and then up. go back to the left side. We're going to curve the foot. We're going to go up, come in, and then bend that down, aiming towards the heel. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now we're going to go all the way back up toward the side of the skull. We're going to bend the legs, going out and then down on top of the feet. Halfway down the leg, we're just going to add a curve coming in for the edge of the boot. Now we're going to add a thick sole across the bottom. Let's take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw in the arms. Let's start halfway between the chin and the bottom of the skull. So we're going to start the arm right here. It's going to bend the arm going around the skull and then down towards the wrist. Now from the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb and then close off the end with a small bracket. We're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to come down and bend that up around that bracket. Step down towards the side, bend the second finger. And then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around, bend this up and then in underneath the hair. Now the last thing to do is just separate the edge of the glove at the very top. Then it's in and then down. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Mystique from the X-Men. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on School. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.